Right, service goes to Gumas captain Chito. 5-7. Score. Rautpur score 7. Gumas score 5. Service goes to Guma. 5-7. What a match. This is afternoon match. Good game. Wow. Sanjay versus Chito. Yes. Good shot. Good game. Good taken. Wow. Yes. What a players. Two team players are playing as well. ये बन्नू का शॉट है. Yes. Super playing. What a game. Yes. Weather is very hot. The game is hot. 5-7. Gumas points 5 and Rautpur points 7. And she's running. What a game. Gumas versus Rautpur. Gumas netter and Rautpur netter is playing as well. What a shots. What a 7-5. Service goes to Rautpur. Player Vinod. Rautpur score 7. Gumas score 5. Match is running. Order taken by Mohan. Yes. What a match. Afternoon match. Service goes to Rautpur player Vinod. 8-5. Gumas players places changes. 8-5. Service goes to Rautpur. 8-5. Match is running. Yes. What a shot. What a game. This afternoon second match. Right, 9-5. Service goes to Rautpur player Vinod. 9-5. What a game by. Please watch and subscribe this channel, Manu Volleyball. What a match this afternoon. Second match. Guma versus Rautpur. Sanjay versus Chitos. Rautpur points 9. Gumas points 5. What a shot. Yes. Afternoon match. Good game. 9-5. Rautpur points 9. Gumas 5 points. Match is running. Players are playing well. But who is when? Yes. What a shot. What a taken. Yes. Good shot. 9-5. Rautpur 9 points. Gumas 5 points. Right, final ball, game ball. Service goes to Rautpur player Vinod. Yes, final ball, game ball. Rautpur game ball. Gumas points 5. Who is win? What a match this afternoon. Second match, Rautpur versus. Right, service goes to Gumas player. 5 game. Right. Afternoon match. Good shotters. Good game. 2 team players are playing as well. What a game. Guma versus Rautpur game. Service goes to Gumas. 6 game. 6 points. Gumas. Yes. What a game. Afternoon match. What a taken by Mohan. This is good game. Superb game. The final. I think second match. Gumas versus Rautpur. Gumas captain Chittor. Rautpur captain Sanjay Savar. 6 game. Gumas points 6. Rautpur points game ball. What a match. This is Rautpur village, Rautpur ground. Rautpur versus Gumas match. Continued second match. What a taken by Chittor. Yes. What a shots. Guma versus Rautpur. What a match. Yes. Technique game. Playing his players well. What a shot by Aravindo. Yes. 6 game. Gumas points 6 and Rautpur game ball. Game is running. Very interesting game. Challenging game. Effective game. Yes. Yes. 2 teams netters were playing well. Yes. What a shot. Wonderful match this afternoon. Gumas and Rautpur's players are playing as well. This is, I think, magical game. What a shot, what a taken. Wow. Wonderful game. Right, service goes to Rautpur captain Sanjay. This is final ball. What a shot by Banu. Yes. This is a critical position for Guma. Yes. Game ball. Final ball. Rautpur. What a game. This afternoon game is very good. What a shot. Right, service goes to Gumas. 6 game. Match continued. What a shot by Banu. Yes. This afternoon weather is very hot. Match is very hot. Good game, good match, good players. Gumma versus Rautpur. Second match, afternoon match. Yes. Gumma's 0.6. Rautpur game ball. Rautpur impact player Banu. And Gumma's impact player Chito. What a playing two teams players. This is Daba volleyball from Rautpur. Village name Rautpur. Rautpur versus Gumma match. This is a second match. What a shot. Yes. Good game. What a power shots. Sixth game. Yes, match is very good. This is good game. Rautpur versus Gumma. Oh shit. Yes. Good game. Very interesting game. Powerful game. Rautpur versus Gumma. Gumma's position very critically, but what happened? Yes. Match is running. Good game. Rautpur versus Gumma. 6 points. Gumma's game ball Rautpur. Match is continued. Weather is very cool. Wow. Right, final ball, last ball, game ball by Suresh, Rautpur player. Final ball, game ball, last ball. Rautpur game ball, Gumma's 6 points. Match is running. I think this is a very tension time. This time is very tension time. What a taken. Wonderful match. Gumma's versus what a taken. Gumma's playing as well. This is ending time. Match ending time. Who is win? Which team is win? Yes, what a taken. What a shots. Final ball. Last ball, game ball from Rautpur. Match, very interesting match. Yes, good game. What a shot. But finally, who is win? Match is continued. Good game. Two teams players are. Service goes to Gumma's player Arvindo. 6th game. Gumma's 0.6. What a game. This is a magical game, miracle game. Right, 7 game. Service goes to Aravindo, Gumas player. 7 game. Right, 8 game. Service goes to Gumas player Aravindo. 8 game. Gumas points 8. What a rising by Guma players. Good game. Good match. Who is win? Sanjay versus Chitto. Sanjay Rautpur captain. Chitto Gumas captain. 8 game. Nine game service goes to Gumas player Aravindo. 9 game. 9 game. Gumas 9 points. What a rising. Final ball, game ball, Rautpur. Player Banu. Impact player. Final ball. This is game ball. Rautpur game ball. Gumas points 9. What a match. What an interesting match. This is a very tension match. Gumas versus Rautpur. Game and 9. Final ball. Last ball were Rautpur. All players playing well. 2 teams players. Very effective players. Good game. This is a Daba volleyball. What a shots. Yes. 9 game. Right, service goes to Gumas. 9 game. Gumas points 9. Right, service goes to Gumas player Aravindo. 9 game. Match running. Who is win? What a match. What a tension match. What a tension match. This is a tension match. This afternoon second match Rautpur versus Gumas. Yes. Service goes to Gumas. 9 game. Right, Juice. Juice. Service goes to Gumas. Juice. 2 teams points are equal. Saman. Who is win? Tension match. Afternoon match. Gumas versus Rautpur match. This is a big game. Juice. Service by Rautpur player Vinod. Right, service goes to Gumas. Aravindo. Juice. Match is very tension match. 50-50. Sanjay versus Chitto. Who is win? Match is very tension. Players are playing well. Who is win? Which team is win? Rautpur and Guma. What a match. Afternoon match. Very tension match. Juice. Points are equal. क्या हुआ देख लेंगे. Yes. Good match. Good dive by Guma player. Wow. What a game. What a game. Guma players playing as well. Good game. Good match. Finally, last ball, game ball, final ball. Serve to Guma player Aravindo. Final ball, Gumas. Very good game, good match. What a match. This is very tension match. What a game, Guma players. I think impact player is Aravindo. Guma's player Aravindo is playing as well. One man show. Yes. What a game. What a match. Afternoon match. Guma versus Rautpur. Guma's game ball. Yes. Tension. 50-50. What a game. What a game. ये असली गेम है, खतरनाक गेम है, मिरेकल गेम. I think one man show. Yes, Guma versus Rautpur. Yes, Guma's last ball, final ball. Playing is running. Game is running. What a ball. What a match. What a play. What a player by Aravindo. Guma's impact player Aravindo. Match win by Guma. Excellent match. Excellent player.